Like the good, diligent, responsible, all up in your business watching entrepreneur that you are, you're searching the USPTO trademark database before deciding on a trademark for your business. Inevitably, you find yourself staring at something like this. What does that mean? I'm about to tell you what it means, why it's so important that you not disregard those dead trademarks, and the exact steps to take when you see a dead trademark. Welcome to All Up in Your Business. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video so you don't miss out on any more hot trademark tips. Hi, I'm Aiden Durham, business and branding attorney with 180 Law Co. in Colorado, and I have helped hundreds of businesses secure and protect their trademarks. Whether I'm preparing a trademark application for a client or breaking it down for my DIY course Brandish, the trademark application process starts well before you hit that submit button on the trademark application. It starts with a thorough clearance search. I've done hundreds of trademark clearance searches, and trust me, it is the most important part of the entire process. One part of the clearance search is searching the USPTO's TESS database, where all the trademark records are housed. And when you're doing it, it's pretty likely that you'll run into at least one record of a trademark that says dead. If you're not seeing any dead records when you're doing a trademark clearance search, you may not be searching enough too. So if that's you, check out Brandish, where I show you the secret search techniques that us trademark lawyers use. A dead trademark is one that's no longer under prosecution of the USPTO, meaning that it won't be used to bar or prevent your trademark registration. The USPTO won't take these dead trademark records into consideration when they're evaluating your application. But just because a trademark is dead doesn't mean that you're totally in the clear to use it. If you run across a trademark that's identical to yours or super similar, but it's dead, that doesn't automatically mean, oh, great, this trademark's available for me since this one's no longer active or live. A trademark will become dead if it's abandoned or canceled. It means that either the applicant failed to meet some requirement, maybe they didn't respond to an office action on time, or their response wasn't accepted, or maybe somebody filed an opposition and successfully opposed the trademark registration. In either event, whatever happened, the trademark was never registered and it eventually became abandoned and thus was marked as dead. Or it could mean that the trademark was registered at some point, but maybe it was canceled by a third party, or owner didn't file the renewal or maintenance documents. The fact that a trademark is dead, that in itself isn't really that important. What's really important here is why it's dead. What killed this trademark? That's what you want to know. That's where the real treasure is. So put your Indiana Jones gear on because we're gonna do some treasure hunting. Look, the trademark clearance search process is complicated. Heck, the whole trademark process is complicated. I've been through law school and I've been a trademark lawyer for like 8 years now, and it's still complicated. That's why I created Brandish, so you don't have to go through law school. Check the link in the description to find out more. All right, back to our Indiana Jones treasure hunting. The TSDR is the Trademark Status and Document Retrieval. And it's where you can find all the dirty details about a trademark. If you find a dead trademark that's identical or very similar to yours, you'll want to know exactly why it's dead, because whatever killed it could come after your trademark next. Let's use this dead Meta Booster trademark as an example. Clicking the record shows us that it was abandoned. Okay, that's good to know, but more importantly, why was it abandoned? Open up the TSDR by clicking this button, and you'll see that it was abandoned because the applicant failed to respond to an office action. We definitely want to know more about that. Click this Documents tab and pull up a copy of the office action. And we can see that there was a likelihood of confusion with another registered trademark. So if I want to try to register a trademark for Meta Booster or something similar to it for the same or related types of goods and services, this tells me that there's a pretty good chance that I too would receive an office action citing a likelihood of confusion, and probably won't get the trademark registration. So even though a dead trademark won't directly impact your trademark application or your chances of registration, you certainly cannot disregard them altogether. Even if the USPTO won't use those dead trademarks in evaluating your application, they can still give you a really nice glimpse into the potential future of your application and your trademark. The clearance search is the most important part of the trademark application and registration process. And it's more than just a quick search and browse of the internet or the USPTO database. Conducting a thorough clearance search, which includes digging into any of those dead records, it helps to keep you from wasting your hard-earned money on a trademark application that'll never go through, and avoid potential legal issues from arising later on down the line. Ready to start your trademark application? I can teach you the exact process that I use with my clients and the precise steps that you can take right now that'll have you ready to hit that submit button on the application in just 7 days. Head to this link or check the link in the description to learn more about Brandish and DIY your trademark application today. Securing your trademark is vital to the success and growth of your business. And your business and your future self will thank you if you take the right steps to properly secure and protect your trademarks. If you got value out of this video, hit that thumbs up button and share this video so other people can learn the importance of trademark registration and why we shouldn't disregard any of those dead trademark records when we're doing a clearance search. And be sure to check out some of my other videos for more legal tips and tricks for your business. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Aiden Durham, and I'll see you next time.